Meet your Green Ever ceiling fan. Safety first, make sure to turn off the main power at your circuit breaker. Let's get started. Start with the blades. Insert the blade into the slot. Align the holes, add the washers, and tighten the screws. Repeat this for all blades until they are secure. Next, remove the 3 pre-installed screws from the motor. Connect the light kit wire plugs together. Align the light kit and secure it using the screws you just removed. Then, twist the shade to lock it in place. For IP44 moisture protection, you must install the rubber pad between the ceiling and the bracket. Then, secure it with the appropriate screws. Now, connect the motor wires to the receiver. Simply match the corresponding wire bundles. Lift and hang the fan. Rotate until the ball locks into the slot. Securely connect all green wires to prevent flickering. Then match inputs, black to black, white to white. Note, wires are shown exposed for clarity. In actual installation, please tuck them neatly inside the canopy. Slide the canopy up to cover the bracket. Twist clockwise to lock it, then tighten the screws. Installation complete. Use the remote to control the light and fan speed. Enjoy your Green Ever fan.